Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 29 August 2021. Wait a minute, is that 29 or 30? Yeah, 30 August 2021. Here, this is the problem they have given. Evaluate parenthesis expression. So in this problem, they have given an input of integer values which are enclosed in a square curly braces. We just need to put the multiply the given value with the depth of the curly braces. Like in this, the depth of the 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is inside the uh, fourth curly braces, right? So depth of 10 is 4, and the 20 is in the depth of 1, 2, 3. This is belong to 10, right? So this is in the depth of 3, and 30 is in the depth of 2, 40 is in the depth of 1. So if we multiply all those values, 40 into 1, 30 into 2 will give you 100, 20 into 3 will give you 60, 60 plus 100, 160, 10 into 4, 40. So total we will get the value of 200. Likewise, here the depth of 4 is 0 because it doesn't have any curly braces, right? And the depth of 1 is 3, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 2, and 5 is 2, 6 is 1. If we add all those values, like 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 star 3 plus 4 star 2, 5 star 2 plus 6. Here also we just need to add 4 into 0. Total we will get 3 plus 4, 6, 7, 16, 8 plus 16, 24, 24 plus 6, 24 plus 10, 34, 34 plus 6, 40. That's what we are getting as our output, right? So the depth is just calculated by the number of curly braces before the given number. Here the depth of 5 is 1, and depth of 7 is 0, and the depth of 24 is 1, 2. Here if we do the same logic, we will get the depth of 24 as 3. So whenever we encounter close bracket, we just need to reduce the depth. So if we do that, the depth of 24 will be 2, and the depth of 6 will be, count on open bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 minus 1 close bracket 3, though the depth of 6 is 3. So we just need to find a number, and we just need to calculate the total count of open curly braces, and we just need to reduce the total number of closed curly braces from that open, and if we multiply the number we will get the expected value. So we are going to do the same logic here. First, for the input string equal to input dot strip. I'm not going to do anything with the original string. I'm just took a temporary list. Temp equal to input, no, not input, we have already stored the string value, right? String dot replace of open curly braces with space, and replace close curly braces with space. So by this way we will get rid of all the curly braces. We won't get any curly braces, we just stick with the numbers. So let me print that value. So if I do that, 1 2 3 4 10 20 30 30 40, that's it, and also 50. So we just got 10, 20, 30, 40 with space before and after them, right? So we can get rid of the spaces by stripping. So if I do that, we will get rid of all the before and after spaces, right? We just got a space in between them. And we all know how to get rid of the in between spaces just by equal to temp dot split print of temp. So if we do that, we are given with the integer inputs, right? So we don't get any additional symbols, and I'm storing all those values in a list so we can make the iteration easily. So it's time for iteration. Before that, we just need a variable total equal to 0, and brackets that will be created inside the loop, so it will be deleted after the loop termination. So it's time for iteration for I in temp, and inside this temp we just need to get the index of the give each and every number, right? So that then only we can able to find the count of open braces and close braces. So index equal to string dot index of I. So if we do that, we'll get the index of the given number or given value from the string. So we can count the brackets equal to string of up to the given index. So we don't need to count whole bracket, we just need to count the bracket before the given number, right? Index dot count of open brackets, and we are going to reduce the bracket count with the closed one, right? Brackets minus equal to the same logic but this time we are going to check for close bracket, and we just need to multiply the given index given depth with a integer value, right? Total plus equal to int of t int of I into brackets, finally print total. So if we do that, we'll get 300 as a output. That's because 1 2 3 4 4 into 10 40 plus 1 2 3 4 4 minus 1 3 3 into 20 will give you 60, right? 60 plus 1 2 3 4 4 into 30 will give you 120 plus 1 2 3 4 3 4 3 2 2 into 40 will give you 80 plus nothing, the 50 doesn't have any pairs, so 50 into 0 will give you 0. So if we add that 100 200 200 plus 20 and 80 300, this is how we are getting the value 300. But it won't work for the values which contains repetitions. Yeah, like for this given input we are getting the value 4 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, right? The 4 occurs twice. So the index operator will find the first occurring character. We can either change that by the index of count, but that's a lengthy process. We won't do that. So whenever we found a character, we are just going to change the given character as some other values to get rid of the repetition errors. So let me do that here. If I specify here a value of 10, we'll get 260, and that's not a proper one. Here 1 2 3 4, okay, 40 plus 60 plus 120 plus this should be 20, right? 1 2 3 4 3 4 3 2. So this will give you 240, but instead of that we are getting 260. That's because it just considered the value for this 10 as this 10. So it has the value 40. So this 20 is replaced by 40. That's why we are getting 260. To get rid of that, we can either change the string just by the index. String of index equal to some other values. I'm just kidding. We can't do that because string is an immutable values, right? So instead of this, we can do something like this. String of index plus star plus string of index plus 1. That's it. So if I print the string value, print of I comma string, you will get to know what is happening. So first, oh, oopsie, nah, it won't bother me. The 10 is replaced by star 0 and 20 is also replaced by star 0. This won't work sometime. So instead of that, what am I gonna do this? Index plus I dot, sorry, len of I. So if I do that, yeah, it's working fine now. The reason why I have changed this one to this is if we have specified 3-digit value like 999 and also 99, this 999 will be replaced as star 99 and we still have 99, right? So this will affect this will also make another duplicate value, right? So to get rid of that, I have changed the whole value into just a star. So first the 10 is replaced by star and 20 is replaced by star, 30 is replaced by star, this 10 also replaced, 5 also replaced. So it will work fine. That's it guys. That's it for today's video, I guess. So let me take the unwanted lines. So if I specify the input, we are getting, oopsie, instead of print statement I have took the Logic. Such a dumb guy. See, it's working fine. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.